I hate to say it, but cold and flu season is right around the corner. I am prepared though. Coughing and the phlegmy throats and the sore throats and the whining and all of that comes with it. I am prepared. Get your supplies now so that if it's you already have them, anybody in your family starts getting a cough, sore throat, phlegm in their throat, any of that, this is what you want. This is what's going to help. The Tomentos Pomelo Peel is in this tea. It's all natural and it will help to soothe those elements that sadly are going to be here. So be prepared. Get it in my little TikTok shop right there.